Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be opening 2 Evolutions packs. Let's get started. Okay, so for the first package of the 2, we've got Magmar, a trainer, which is Switch, another trainer, Maintenance, Nidoran Male, a Machop, a Growlithe, a Pikachu, a Ghost Energy, a Reverse Poliwag, I think, and a Mewtwo. Pretty good Mewtwo, awesome. For the second pack of today, we start off with a Energy Retrieval on Magmar, a Slowbro Spirit Link, a Magikarp, Electabuzz, a Rattata, a Growlithe, a Nidoran Male, a Reverse Fire Energy, not bad, and a Dewgong. Not bad, not bad. The Pokemon I thought was awesome today was this nice, cool Mewtwo. Well, I guess that's it for this video. Please like or subscribe if you enjoyed it, which I do hope you did. And, yeah, just please like or subscribe. Goodbye!